Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset the Mova P10 Pro Ultra. If you're interested in the P10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So to factory reset our unit, we have it powered on here. We're going to open up the cover, and next to this Wi-Fi indicator light, you will find a tiny little reset button. So grab something like a paper clip, maybe a ballpoint pen, SIM removal tool, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to press and hold this button down.
Restoring to factory settings.
I just let go once I heard it say restoring to factory settings. The unit's no longer powered on from an indicator light perspective right there. Those lights are off. I can hear the module spinning, and basically we just give it a couple minutes to do its thing and then boot right back up. So we got a chime there, some music. The module's still spinning. Top lights are still off. Okay, it stopped spinning. Now the lights are coming back on.
Welcome to use Dream Robot. Please open Robot's cover and scan QR code to download Dream Home app to view more operations. To complete subsequent tasks smoothly, place Robot back into dock before starting tasks. When hearing start charging, it means the installation is in place.
So there we go, our initial voice setup and prompt. Lights are solid. Everything has officially been factory reset. Very simple, straightforward, and it goes by very quickly.